Hi, my name is Carter Craig, and today I'm going to be reading If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he's probably going to ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks at the mirror, he might notice that he needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He will start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep the whole house. Washing the floors as well. When he's done, he's probably gonna want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and pillow. He'll crawl in and make himself comfortable and fluff the pillow a few times. He's probably going to ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask you to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he's going to get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He draws a picture. When the picture is finished, he wants to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he's gonna ask for a glass of milk. And the chances are, if he wants to ask for a glass of milk, he's gonna want a cookie to go with it. I wonder if I have a milk mustache. I'm gonna go look in the mirror. We'll see y'all.